Greetings, my name is Riya Bhargav and I represent Team Lhara's HR department. According to me, in this case study, we got to know about the scope of renewable energy in India. And EV in the automobile industry is going to be at the boom in the upcoming times. But there is some general problems, and according to me, my problem is EVs can stop in the waterlogged areas, and pertaining to my department, that is HR, in this case study, the problems that I found are less manpower, funds are not up to the requirement, no proper management system, no experienced person for handling of finance. Then, solution to business case scenario as per my problems. Batteries should be well protected. Then organizing seminars and look for a few interns from colleges for life projects. Opting for fundraising or crowdfunding. As of now, we will be distributing management responsibilities among the present management staff. As of now, hiring of a financial consultant with whom we will be paying on an hourly basis. Finding the perfect fit for the opportunities provided by our company in the future. Thank you.